Prove that the triangles below are congruent. Now, we're going to need some facts to get there with this. First one I'm going to use is that the fact that we know that these two angles are equal, and that's because they are vertically opposite. So I can mark on here in the same way those two angles. They are the same because they're vertically opposite. Now, we also know with parallel lines that this angle is equal to that angle. They're on a Z, so those are alternate angles. And in this diagram, that means that I can mark this one and this one in the same way. And of course, that means that the third angle must be the same as well. And then if we look at the 9, it's between the pink angle and the orange angle. And so is it here. So it is the corresponding side. So we can go ahead with our proof. I'm going to start with angle ACB, which is this angle here, being equal to angle DCE, which could have been named ECD. It doesn't matter as long as the C's in the middle. But here I can't just say given because it wasn't. I worked out using vertically opposite angles. I'm then going to say that angle CAB, which is this angle up here, is equal to the other blue one, which is CED. And then I'm going to say alternate angles, because that's how I worked it out. And then I'm going to say that BC is equal to CD, and that indeed was just given. So there's my three statements. I can go ahead and make my congruent statement. So triangle ABC is congruent to. Now if I've done it as ABC, I started off by going along from the blue angle to the pink angle. If I do the same thing here, I go ED. So that is going to be triangle EDC. And my method, of course, was two angles and a side. And that should be obvious from the fact that we use two angle statements and a single side statement.